We are taking the sting out of what's often considered a dreaded task, and that is picking outfits for family photos. 'Tis the season. So by now you've picked the perfect photographer and a beautiful location. You know, now all you need to do is pull together some amazing coordinated outfits. That's all you need to do for the whole family, top to bottom. Yeah, sometimes easier said than done, but Studio 5 style and fashion contributor Casey Matheny says we don't need to overthink it. With a few simple tips, picking out photo fashion can be easy and fun. Photo fashion. That's a phrase.
Oh, I like it.
Photo fashion.
Hey.
Photo fashion. Okay, so you promise you're gonna make it easy?
I'm just laughing because the dread is so real.
It's real.
But I promise you, these tips are so simple and you'll be like, okay, got it. Got it.
Good. I do wholeheartedly agree we overthink it.
Yes.
I also think, and a good friend of mine happened to be a photographer and a very stylish one at that, told me years ago not to buy anything. Well, everything. That you can actually shop your closet, and those are the clothes that you know you like, that you know you're comfortable. That right there took my anxiety down by like 30%.
It is so true. I don't know if I've ever bought anything for a family photo shoot.
Really?
Truly. Truly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll take that out of it. And another piece of advice, your first piece of advice, in fact, is to choose your outfit first.
Yes. Well, as women, I mean, our kids aren't fretting about what they're gonna wear. The husbands are like, all right, we're doing this again. Like, we are the ones who fret. So you choose your outfit first, whatever you feel comfortable and confident in. That is so, so, so key. And then everything else will follow.
Are you going to recommend skirt over pants, dress over top, whatever you feel good in?
I think women know what looks best on them. You know what you look bomb in, stick to that.
Okay,
Yep.
all right. You like to let one outfit really stand out, and you like that one outfit to actually inspire the rest of the mood.
Yeah, I like to call it the mood board. So this is the one that has the pattern, the color, and all of the other pieces, the family members' outfits are going to pull from that piece.
Does it matter if that's an adult outfit or a child's outfit?
It doesn't matter who it is. In here, this is my daughter. She's got the pattern, she's got the color, and we have all pulled colors out of that.
Okay, so it can be anyone in the family.
Yep.
Beautiful, beautiful photo, by the way. Where were those taken?
They were taken, I don't know, South Jordan, somewhere random.
Beautiful, look at that. Okay, but one person becomes kind of that outfit, and then
Yes.
everyone else draws from there.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, you want us to stick to, now we're getting technical.
Yeah,
Everyone
but it's
sit
easy.
Up, sit up and pay attention. Stick to 2 main colors and 2 minor colors.
Yes, so 2 main colors, and those are going to be your neutrals. Your ivories, your navies, whites, khaki, right? So I'm like, even we've got our cute little family here.
Yeah.
We've got the ivory, the navy, and the khaki. These are my neutral colors.
Ivory, navy, khaki.
Yeah, and then from there you can have 1 to 2 minor colors. These are gonna be the vibrant, kind of more fun colors. So we're pulling this orange and the yellow from this little dress, and you may see it in the shirt here, but it just kind of brings a little bit more to the collab.
I like that you're putting a great emphasis and anchor weight on neutrals, because sometimes do we overdo it in terms of the palette and the pattern? Do we go a little crazy?
I think we go really crazy. Yeah, I would say stick neutral and also stick classic. You don't want to be super trendy in your outfits. You want these photos to kind of exist over time. If you forget to switch them out on your walls, in 3 years down the road, you don't want to be like, I can't believe I wore that. So stick to like classic pieces.
Yeah, last year, I'm just gonna cough it up. I totally overdid it. I overthought it. And it became too Pinteresty, and I don't mean that bad, but like there was a plaid and there was a floral and and it was just overdone. So we can lighten up just a little bit. Talk me through the process of this selection. Which piece did you choose first?
Truly, I chose mine.
Yours. Okay, this was it.
Truly, I chose mine. Then I went to the fun piece. What is the pattern that we're gonna bring? Typically, it's not the boys.
Right.
It's the girls, right? The florals and the color and stuff like that. And then from there, I kind of expanded. I didn't want all the boys to be in the same pants or the same tops. So you just kind of mix and match, pull out a lot of different things from the closet and kind of pair what we've got. And you will see that it does come together. Pull it out, lay it on your bed, and it just comes together.
And that last point of advice, that last piece of advice to go classic, I think is overarching. Classic equals simple.
Yeah.
But it's timeless. You could hang this on your wall, and to your point, you would love it for years to come.
Absolutely. I mean, one other tip I'd also say is to try to remain seasonless as well. So not getting too heavy into the sweaters, or, you know, if you're doing it at summer at the beach, maybe not shorts and tank tops. You know, it's just like, try to remain seasonless. So when it hangs on your walls, it doesn't feel like, ooh, this is the fall photo and we've got our summer photos.
Smart.
It's just classic and seasonless.
You told our producer that's actually how you shop for seasons too, is seasonless. Like pick pieces that will serve you year round.
Absolutely, and you can always layer or
Sure.
remove, but yeah, you don't want to be pigeonholed to this is my fall shirt, you know, and so.
You know what this was? A big exhale.
Good.
A big exhale.
Yes.
Casey, our girl, helping us get dressed every day, but in this case specifically for family photo season. Thank you. Where can we get more advice from you?
Yeah, find me at Casey Matheny Style on Instagram. All the tips.
We love you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.